Within our One Mallorca boutique, we're pleased to present you with a selection of exclusive properties for exclusive clients just like you. This property in Andratx is the closest thing to having a treasure that will gain value over time. The property has a beautiful Mediterranean garden with covered terraces and a saltwater infinity pool. The interior space is flooded with calm and natural light. Upon entering, you can see the luxury of the facilities and the freshness provided by natural elements that have been maintained in the construction and design of the rooms. The spacious living area extends to the outside. Ideal to enjoy unforgettable evenings, and the spectacular kitchen from where you can see the sea is fully equipped with high quality elements to cook like a professional chef. All in all, a stunning property. One Mallorca, protecting the interests of our clients since 2013.